Don't tell me that nonsense. Commotion everywhere. This man has been hiding this thing. Everything will go down the drain.
Do you mean you're actually pregnant?
I'm very, very pregnant. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
How can you allow such things to happen?
What do you mean, how can I let such happen? What do you mean by that? You said you love me.
You will take that pregnancy out. You will take it out.
It's like you want everything you built to come down.
Hey!
Amy, baby. I'm missing him more. My baby, my baby. Let me call him. Let me just, check on him. My baby, I miss him so much. Oh, let me call him. Amy, baby. I pray he picks up. Should not give me any excuse. You better pick my call.
Honey, take this card here. On your way back from work tomorrow, I need you to go to the grocery and get some stuff we need in the house. Okay. Right? Okay. I'll send you the list of things I need, my own personal stuff. Okay. Remember also to get some stuff from. Okay, so remember to get some stuff for the children as well. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So. I'll be back. Just a minute.
Hey there. You said you called my voice message system.
Amy, baby. He's canceling my call. I will continue to call him. Wonder what is up to.
I've told you not to call me when I'm in the house.
Hey, don't tell me that nonsense. Don't tell me that rubbish. I've been calling you for how many days now? You're not picking my call. Why?
No, I told you not to call me when I'm at home. My wife is around. Don't call me.
I've told you. It's you or no one else. I've told you. You told me you love me. You told me you love me. I gave you my body. I gave you everything. Telling me your wife. Which stupid wife?
See, Emmy, I'm missing you. Now, just get that.
Please, don't step on my nerves, please. Don't.
Just relax. There's no need to scream.
He hung up on me?
Emmy, where are you?
I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. I just came to take a glass of water.
I didn't know. I thought you were on the phone right now.
Yeah, I just came down now. I was feeling thirsty. I just decided to come and take a glass of water. I'll meet you upstairs, okay? Yeah.
Is everything alright?
Everything is fine. Everything is perfectly okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll see you upstairs.
So this man thinks I'm a fool, hanging up on me. I know what I will do. I will show up at his house. Yes, sure he wants to try me, telling me about his wife. I will show up in his house. He should not worry. He'll be seeing me soon. I'll pay them a visit. Hello, how are you doing?
Oh, thank you. Sorry, who are you?
My name is Jenny.
Okay.
I'm Emeka's colleague at work. I've actually told him I was coming to pay his family a visit today.
He didn't tell me his colleague was coming.
Oh, well, I'm here now.
Okay, come in.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You have a very lovely room.
Thank you. You're welcome. Please come in.
Okay.
Your jacket. Let me have your jacket. Very good.
It's my jacket.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Your house is very beautiful. Though.
Thank
Very
you.
beautiful. Sit down.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do I have for you?
What do you have?
I have juice or water.
What kind of juice?
So what kind do you want?
Well, if you have apple juice, that should be fine.
Okay, I'll see what I have on the plate.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Please, help yourself.
I will. So how are you, ma?
I'm okay. How was work today?
Yeah. It was okay.
Okay. How long have you been working at the
For about 5 years now.
Oh,
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So are you married?
Very soon.
Okay.
Very soon.
Where is the man?
Well, he's somewhere. He's somewhere. Well, I actually
What a
very,
busy
very
day.
low.
Yes. Okay. That's good to know.
Welcome,
Jimmy.
sir. Welcome, sir.
What are you doing here?
I thought you said he knew you were coming.
He knows I'm coming, madam.
No, yes. I'm aware that she's coming. She told me that she's coming today. I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. So how has it been? Have you offered her anything?
Well, I'm actually okay with the drink she offered me already.
Oh, you okay?
Yes.
Thank you. You're welcome. Eh?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll be back.
Okay. Love. He loves me so much.
That's nice.
Oh.
That's nice. It's good to marry a man that loves you.
Yes. So
Yeah.
yes. What can we do now?
Hey, Jenny.
Yes. Sir.
How are you?
Very fine, thank you, sir.
How is work today?
You won't believe.
What's that?
Commotion everywhere.
Which commotion?
HR
I hope
manager.
everything is fine.
Everything is fine though. At least
HR
baby is
manager.
coming.
HR
HR manager and secretary. They are doing things. Everybody, like everywhere, office scatter. Everywhere.
Serious?
Telling
Are
you,
you
baby
serious?
on the way. Secretary is pregnant for HR.
But the man confided in me that he cannot father a child. How come? Are you sure the baby belongs to the girl, to the man?
We saw evidence now. Evidence full everywhere like this. Two of them, and they've been at it for a long
But
time.
you know that news spread like that. By the time it goes out, like
Forget
people
that,
add their
Sandy.
own.
Forget. The most important thing is that this man has been hiding this thing from his wife.
Wow.
He's been hiding this thing from his wife. They've been together for a long time now, and now
I don't
pregnancy.
Know why, I don't know why some men like this. How can you be married and you are still following girls out?
I don't
just
understand. I don't understand. Like they're not satisfied with their wives. I don't understand.
Yes. What about that contractor? The contractor was
Which
was supposed
contractor? Forget
to
that
supply
side.
something next week.
Forget which contractor.
That
I'm
man
telling
now
you,
that's supposed to supply
gist.
something.
I'm telling you gist now. How men hide things from their wives.
Exactly.
It's very bad though. Very bad.
And most of the time, you see that their wives are even more beautiful
Yes.
than the women.
Yes. I don't know.
Exactly.
I don't know what's happening to some of these men.
No,
I
these
don't know.
men, I don't know.
I
These
don't know.
men. These men.
Things are
Well,
getting so bad now.
I'm happy because I know my husband will not do that.
Yeah, that's yeah. You are lucky, oh. You are lucky. You are lucky. Sir, you are hot. The AC
I'm
is
very
on.
hot. I don't know why I'm sweating.
I
I don't know why I'm sweating.
Me, I'm very cool. Oh, the AC has
I don't know why I'm sweating. I'm really sweating here.
Are you sure you're sweating?
Yeah,
This
I'm
is
really sweating. Are you not hot too?
hot. No, this
Are you not hot?
I'm not hot, so I'm very
Is it only
cool
me?
like this. It's the situation that me I'm talking about. What happened in the office today? Like some men, some men. And they will tell the wives that they love them, everything. Then they will go outside and start doing nonsense.
I'll be back.
Okay,
Let me
sir.
just go get some tea.
Okay. So that's how we see it
wow,
though.
really? I don't know. At times, I wonder why men cannot just be faithful to their wife for once.
Well, sometimes it's possible the wife safe, they are not even trying. It's possible. That will make the man's eye to be outside. It's possible.
Well, like I said, I trust my husband. I know he won't do anything like that.
I don't know. Happy trusting your husband though.
That case in your office is really serious.
Very, very serious. Very serious case. Very serious.
Wow. Can you imagine?
That's a very serious situation in the office now because that man.
That everybody in the office is aware.
Oh yeah, it's everybody knows now. Everybody knows. And the thing is, she's even threatening to take the thing to the media.
Really?
Yes, so media like this. And she has given him 3 days. 3 days that if he doesn't take responsibility, she will scatter everywhere. 3 days.
In fact, that man is stupid.
3 days, oh. Wow. So I hope he acts fast because his wife, the children he has before, the house, everything will go down the drain. Down the drain.
Sort things out before.
In fact, that man is very disgraceful. He has really brought shame to his family.
Yes, so big shame.
Big one.
Big shame. And he better take responsibility. He better take responsibility. Yes, so
serious.
because
The man is a disgrace.
big one.
I think the man will do something to solve the problem. The man will definitely do something to solve the
He
problem.
better, oh, he better. He better.
Yes. he'll
So
do
that
something
everywhere
to-
will not scatter. He better.
Well, I'm happy that my husband will not do such a thing. He will not do such a thing.
Yeah.
Well,
Excuse me, ladies. I'll be back again.
yes, sir. Hopefully they resolve the issue since they resolve the issue soon and the HR manager actually takes responsibility.
They will always resolve it, don't worry.
Hopefully, hopefully.
I want to go and buy some gas, buy gas in the car. Okay? I don't know. Let's go together.
Oh, for sure.
Let's go together.
Thank you so much for the hospitality. I'll be seeing you around. Okay.
Right. So your jacket is downstairs, right?
Yes,
Okay, that's good. I'll be back, okay? So, do you mean you're actually pregnant?
I'm very, very pregnant. That's what I've been trying to tell you. I've been calling you these days. You refuse to answer my calls. I'm very, very pregnant, oh.
How can you allow such thing to happen?
What do you mean, how can I let such happen? What do you mean by that? You said you love me, right?
Yes, but that was then.
I beg, no, I'm pregnant.
You should be able to,
There's nothing we can. I'm pregnant now.
you should be able to control this, not allow
Control
yourself
what?
to get pregnant.
No.
You know I have a family.
And so what? Did I get myself pregnant? You said you love me, right? So you will do the needful.
Well, you know the problem this thing will put me in.
Which Oh, you didn't know that?
You will take that pregnancy out.
Me.
You will take it out.
It's like you want everything you've built to come down.
Hey! Oh my God. What have I gotten myself into? Chai! What a day.
Smart guy.
What did I do?
You think I don't know what just played out now?
What did I do?
You think I don't know? I know everything.
What did I do?
You think I don't know she was referring to you and her?
Me? How do you...
And she's even pregnant for you. She's even pregnant for you.
I can explain. I can explain.
Enough.
Not relax.
Enough.
Relax. I can explain.
What
Just
do you
relax.
want to explain? That another woman is pregnant for
No,
you?
don't see it that way. That's devil's handwork.
Devil's handwork, right?
Yeah, it's a devil's handwork. Just
you want
relax.
to blame the devil for what you did. You know what? This marriage is over.
No, don't do that.
Another woman is
Don't
pregnant
do,
for
don't
you, right?
do that.
This marriage.
We can settle this. We can solve this problem.
I said this marriage.
We can
is
solve
over.
this problem.
I'm done. I'm done.
Don't do that.
No,
don't do
I'm
that.
done. For you to have impregnated another woman
Don't do
that
that.
she has the audacity to come into our matrimonial home. You know what? This marriage is over.
Don't do that,
I'm
please.
done.
Please. Please, don't do that. I can explain. Listen to me. Just listen to me. Hear my Thank you for supporting us by watching our videos.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and Facebook.
God bless you.
Family Moment Ministries, impacting homes with the gospel of Christ.